BullRing USA's Chevy tie-down anchors are essential for any truck bed. These bullet-style anchors fit inside the bed on the sidewalls of your Chevy or GMC truck, with a 1,000-pound capacity rating to handle almost any load. The retractable ring snaps up when in use and snaps flush when not in use. BullRing USA's truck bed anchors make it quick and easy to secure cargo, whether you're on the job or just enjoying some time outdoors. These bolt anchors are specifically designed to fit on any 2007 or newer Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra, and any 2015 or newer Chevy Colorado or GMC Canyon. Available as a pair or as a complete 9-pack to fit all the pockets of your truck bed. Every anchor is backed up with our No Bull lifetime warranty. Each anchor can be easily installed in about 30 seconds. Simply pop out the GM cover, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw and insert the lower body. Once the base is in the hole, lift slightly and position the back plate behind the truck sheet metal. Now hold the ring while pushing the black cover against the truck and tighten down the screw. Snaps up when in use, snaps flush when not in use. You can find these truck bed anchors at any of our authorized retailers or at bullringusa.com.